Hello guys, how are you all? I'm back with another video of unboxing. Today I'm going to unbox and review Eachine E51 drone, as I was trying very hard to get this drone and finally it came. So guys, let's begin. As you can see, this is Eachine E51 foldable drone. The box of the drone is very The box of the drone is very eye-catching. As you can see, there are some features written here. It has headless mode, it has its own Wi-Fi, and it has altitude holding mode, which is quite interesting. At the bottom of this box, some warnings are written here. If you want to read, then you can. As you can see, it is made in China. The age limit is 14 plus. So guys, let's open this box and see what is in it. So guys, I have opened the box of the drone and these are the things which were inside the box. This is the container in which the drone came. This is a drone. This is the USB charger of the drone. They gave you two propellers and a screwdriver to screw the propellers in it. This is user manual and most important thing, a battery. The battery is of 3.7 volt, which makes the drone fly up to 7 minutes. This drone also have 2 megapixel camera which you can use to take selfie and make videos on any special occasion. As you can see, it is foldable drone, so its legs open like this. You have to push the legs outside like this. Four, as you can see, it has 4 LEDs to this side and to this side. Let us insert the battery and see what's happened. There is a button in back of this drone. When you push it, as you can see, LED have started blinking. One side it is white and other side it is red, which looks so attractive. Overall, by look, it is very good. So guys, I will not make this video long, so I will bring the testing video of this drone after 1 or 2 days. So please guys, subscribe my channel to see the testing video of this drone, and if you like the video then like it and please share it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.